Top 9 gadgets for lazy people that are worth buying. Being lazy is a privilege of those people who blew their heads off when they were born rich and doesn't have time to do the task that needs their precious time and efforts. Whatever be the reason, the money that you got gives you the power to be lazy and enjoy the convenience of life. In this video, we will be showing the top 9 gadgets for lazy people that are worth buying. Before we go any further, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Technify and smash that like button for more quality videos you can't certainly get from others. Experience the awesomeness of these gadgets as Technify channel gives you only the latest informative details, and here are the top 9 gadgets for lazy people that are worth buying. Number 9. Self-stirring mug. The best coffee is a coffee that is well stirred, for all the goodness of coffee granules are properly dissolved, but sometimes stirring can be very burdensome, especially in the morning when every inch of your body cells are still in the sleeping and lazy mode condition. Can we just let our mugs do the stirring? Before, it may sound funny and realistic, but look at the self-stirring mug that is currently out on the market, for it does the stirring of the coffee without any human intervention. This mug has a neat design and can be a perfect way to kick off the day by giving you a well-stirred coffee without the hassle of doing it. Just click the button for self-stirring and the mug's propeller will start to spin and stir to mix the solvent coffee particles while keeping its temperature. It keeps track as to the temperature of the coffee and keeps it on your preferred temperature. All you have to do is gulp and enjoy the hot coffee without all the fuss of stirring it. Number 8. Smart speaker. Too lazy even to lift a finger and do some physical task? Wish you could just use your voice and everything will just follow your command? It may be realistic if you are a king or a member of the family of royalties, but not when you are just a commoner. But that was before. With the advent of technology, everything is already made possible. You can be in full control of your house with the use of Echo 2nd generation. It is a hands-free speaker that is being activated by your voice. Give orders to Alexa for the task that you want to accomplish, such as to play music. It can connect to Amazon Music, TuneIn, Spotify, or even in your own collection of music. If you want to talk to someone but too lazy to get up, you can just talk and your voice can be heard in any room through Echo Speaker. With its 2.5 woofer and 6.0 tweeter, your voice will be vividly heard across the rooms without you exerting a lot of effort, such as shouting. Number 7. Smart plugs. Take your laziness to the extreme by putting the entire house under the spell of your voice. It is literally putting it under the control of your voice. According to one author, the human voice is the most perfect instrument of all. Such statement was taken literally by techie savvies. With the iDevices Switch Smart Plug makes it possible for you to gain control of all electronic run objects in the house through its connected apps such as Alexa, Siri, and the Google Assistant. With this connected apps, you can gain control of almost everything in the house being powered by electronics. If too lazy to determine which appliances will be used in the morning, lunch, or evening, you can have a scheduling of the appliances by grouping it according to the time when they are going to function or when it will be shut down. Such as in the morning when you say, "Good morning, Siri," all the appliances that is needed for your breakfast will automatically run, and at night you can simply say, "Good night, Siri," and all of those things that are needed for you to have a good night's sleep will also be activated while shutting off those which are no longer needed. This could be a life wherein you will not even sweat turning on the appliances that you will need, and you will have no worries that you forgot to turn off a particular gadget or appliances. Number 6. Onion chopper. There was a contemporary artist who once said, "Cutting onion always makes me cry," associating the onion to the real-life situation. However, onion, may it be symbolically, figuratively, or literally taken, but still the fact remains that this is a tearful experience when layering or chopping an onion. Such painful and tearful experience will be a thing of the past, and it is now the time to move on to the electric onion cutter. There is no effort in cutting those onions, just simply put it on the machine and it will be cut into perfect slices. The slices of the onion may even be adjusted to suit the kind of dish that you're going to serve. The slicing machine is made of slicing blade and a rotated head, and you will have no worries as to keep it clean, for the blades are easy to wash and rinse. Number 5. Egg cooker. How would you like your egg? A soft-boiled or hard-boiled? Simple question, but is it really simple to make a soft or hard-boiled egg? Funny as it may sound, but even how intelligent you are, it is quite difficult to achieve a perfect hard-boiled or soft-boiled eggs. But not with Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, which can give you a perfect boiled egg without the hassle of determining if the egg is already cooked or not. Just put the egg on the boiling tray, which has the capacity to hold up to 6 eggs, and it will be the one to cook it for you. It has an individual pouch, which can be perfect if you want to have an omelet. Even how lazy you are, still you can have a perfect boiled egg and tasty omelet. Number 4. Robotic Vacuum. It is quite the irony of life that we wanted to have a spotless clean house but too lazy to clean it, as the older generation kept on saying that the house will not clean itself, which is literally true. But with the power of technology, you can now achieve your dream of a clean and 99% bacteria-free house. Through Leafan M210 robotic vacuum cleaner, you can now just lazily lounge on your sofa while this little machine do the dirty work for you. It has the capacity to suck debris, hair, all types of hair, food and dust from the floor. It has 3 modes such as cleaning the bow, cleaning the wall, and spot cleaning. You can just choose which mode that the vacuum will do, and immediately it will do its task without the worries of breaking your precious jars or figurines, for it has a 360 degrees infrared obstacle sensor. This feature will make the robotic vacuum to avoid collision or causing breakage in the house. The best thing is that you can remotely control it through your mobile phone via its enabled app. You can make a schedule when the robotic vacuum will do its task, or you can let the vacuum clean the house while you are away from the house. Number 3. Smart Luggage. How cool is it if your luggage suitcase is the one following you without the effort of pulling it? It can look very savvy and sophisticated, and not to mention that you will not exert any sweat in carrying your luggage suitcase. It is just like traveling in a fashionable, lazy way through Kawa Robot Auto Follow Smart Luggage. You will not even bother to have a remote control for it to function, for it is powered by a laser radar. The suitcase can intelligently follow you from behind and without any worries for it to be misplaced or lost. It is built with carbon fiber and equipped with sensors that has the capacity to follow you at a speed of 7 miles. It has an artificial intelligence that it can remember and recognize its path through the route protection technology. Number 2. Smart Fridge. The most important to check in the house is the fridge, for it is the source of our food supplies, but checking will take time and effort. There is a need for you to physically check the items that are needed to be replaced and refilled. There is a need to manually take the itemization check. But if you are too lazy to do that, you may end up missing some important food supplies. Since technology is invented to meet the needs of lazy people, there are now a wide array of smart fridge brands that has a feature to providing the owner of the contents of the fridge without the need of opening the fridge. You can now manage your food supply through mere taps on the touchscreen of the fridge. It may also send some messages through your mobile phone as to the contents inside the fridge. Number 1. Coffee Maker. Taking a sip of brewed coffee a la Starbucks is a feat to handle, and not to mention the effort to do it. Just the aroma of brewed coffee already makes the day complete. But it is a fact that not all of us have the patience and technical know-how on having a perfect brewed coffee. Having a cup of brewed coffee will now be a hassle-free through Light and Easy K-Max Coffee Maker machine. It can brew coffee in just a matter of 30 seconds, and there is no need to keep on refilling water, for it has a large water reservoir. You can enjoy having a multiple cups with your friends without any worries of refilling it. Alright, how are you finding these top 9 gadgets for lazy people that are worth buying? Tell us in the comment section down below. We would like to know more from you. If you're a true gadgets enthusiast, stay tuned as the next video is starting.